Hey, so you know that poorly functioning steam traps lead to rising maintenance costs, wasted energy, and difficulty meeting environmental goals. Now, Spartakus Technologies is proud to introduce a powerful new tool in our mobile app. Service technicians can go at manufacturing sites and assess a full fleet of steam traps in offline mode. They can capture technical data, they can include standard or even infrared images, and quickly build health diagnostic on the fly. Once synced, you can instantly access detailed reports highlighting faulty traps, energy losses, CO2 savings, and eventually cost reductions. Need expert support? Spartakus specialized technician can execute the walkdowns, recommend preventative maintenance activities, and provide expert advice. So, from identifying which traps need repair, replacement, or just installation, we can help you optimize your operations. Reduce waste, save costs, and meet your sustainability goals with Spartakus. So try it today.